people in the fire. No, it should be dissolved completely.
Council should be dissolved. Council should be dissolved.
Should be.
That's about the Anamo Party Constitution and more trouble now.
Yes, because the power you can send to your diary. I'm a party man to come. What I say, you could never do. Yes, you catch another. Let's not know. You have Emma, a young one know what way a couple of students. Emma, by me, about Jimbo. And all blood the man, oh, down your bow. There's a little respect for you can all cut on the crowd. I know what they mean. It's a certain minister. But we are coming here.
And no, what can say is your must set up committee, a committee in the Beshe. Now, on my jail,
that instantly.
Professor Eroma Kukui.
On one count, a parliament. One count. Only one anytime. And then now you parliament, you can this is disaster. What I say? I'm not going to let's speak it is how? Because of so they see not even for now the people in the country. No, I know what short over them. They can't come in. No more country president as well anything. Some of you are not telling them. Oh, I can't
But committee ni frau genuinely frau na mbusa omo frau say be boa omo na omo timi establishing niema a cause the defeat. Why you ready? Say obako.
No, I don't want to be.
Doctor Richard Amakoba onko and there's on party ni.
Oh, because the issue, you know, the full time for me, one time we certificate. It is a second year, no control. The economy is more than part in the media because one of America, million the beyond million. As long as I go and present supporting it, this is how our party became. We continue to be a sycophant. When you come out and answer a question, you think my party there, sycophant. They
will catch the woman before the election. And no man for the party now position almost say, Omo to train no mafrewa. Sanye, the papa mo anu and say, because I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm not going to say that I'm supposed to be here. Okay. Daddy, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give you more passion. I'm going to give you more passion. It's a done. I don't know what you have there, but I cannot make it. I mean, it's I'm not going to woman. You cannot do it. The reason for passion in the day, when somebody, you know, that is the problem. Where you have family, you are I said, Dog, they were saying on one also here now. On one no office here, say any money. And also be fanagim. That is just because in my explanation, it makes sense. It doesn't make any sense. You could tell me what that means with an idea, step in Canada. So, that is the whole thing. When they make a tell me, the one you need to have, I'm going to tell you about it. And then you can learn something. You have to be in the time. You could be able. It makes no sense. When what they are doing with it, it will come up to be an idiot. Okay.
Remember that.
Look,
the person taking great, they say, look up by water, oh, tomorrow, so you don't have the money, no more does, no more to go to them. If you ever to say, young country, as long as you are on the right side, then you are not young country. That's what is going on. Okay, so Akoma the other thing, very free benefit. No, they no can.
Doc, me da si anopay. I was for Dr. Richard Amakomba and you know dim command pay. More modern messages about on Facebook. Kwaja Sempa Furniture Works or so share war Doom Kumase. Emmanuel says was a good morning, Sir John. Divine Selection TATC or share me show live. I will cook so 4BN. Or say Maminchia Professor Smart Sapon of Kumasi Technical University. Prof Maminchia on pay. And I feel Pablo Icon. Minya Amos in Kamene. As a good morning, Sir John. Kabri East people don't know any other person than Honorable Joseph Amankwa, the PC for the 2024 elections. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama shouldn't make a mistake to bring different person as an MCE for Kabri East. Else, NDC will suffer in 2028 than before. Okay. Hilda here, and also good morning, Sir John. Esther Champon. Esther, I say official pa, Sir John Sir Evans, or the free Vienna, Austria, or the Abba. Kojo Isaac Akoma, good morning to you, all my lovely people. I'm joining this powerful show live from Germany. More fire. Obeying Eric was very bad. Ghana company, every sector is going there. All right. Abbas Zachary, good morning. But I want to drop a message on Facebook. Akoma 87.9 FM. Now also so the yakin kai Eddie amount of pain. Na yababe twaso wa ha. Na fi ya share. Said the Eniama AC Echo. Oba Facebook and patch share my friend you share. Professor Da Costa Boaje, a environmental geographer, Ken UST, or a member of the NDC. Prof is here this morning. Prof, good morning.
Good morning.
But how are you there?
You are down, man.
You're the young Kupansipa, you're the Yamiasipa, you're the young Kupansipa.
So what to say?
Yamiadum. Yente Bonibia.
I think
first time.
I think say near the hotel and Kwanya Hodi.
Sanity. Now, Mijiri say so far mo campaign na mo ye na mo say mo be reset Ghana. Ko be dia Ghana nam no nye. Mo be reset Ghana. They say engine no ma start no. Na so far na mene Dr. Richard Amakomba din komoni share president's latest appointment and how or share boss obey reduce the size of government and here one nothing ya share so reduce the size of government the right people are odomo ebeye adwuma no they won't see a concern because also take the size of government so then it means that people that although the experienced enough will handle the country so far. Prof say na who and to ya air cost ne share air cost
yo the dika mamenchia asantima nyina menchia otikokoso anopay krora mechia NDC for ewo Ashanti region especially the communication team of the NDC about Ajuma or Ashanti region including the regional chairman the none di edimu na kwesi odi edimu ama NDC enya enkunim die kese wa Ashanti region mechia na nopay me bo na baso so na me bo all every member because election we no it means NDC and say communal labor obia was involved we go obia baso na mechia NDC for nyina anopay yes say o share messenger edema Ghanaians say message ni nye message ketwa na ebe say Ghanaians so ejitum message no etum omonso so di o say eyeyo ema yeto abasa unprecedented edema NDC especially even in Ashanti region unprecedented your percentage number of parliamentary seats and yeah to say unprecedented
is there a 3 of the seats NDC are challenging 3 of the seats
yes
our official oma file a case at the High Court against MPs. No, Omocran, as we speak, they are filing for injunction. When grant here, then the substantive matter will also be looked at. Until you know, so your course on our channel. I have one North, Obuasi East, and I have one Southwest. So far, yes. And also, so you are there, and I'm person me the room.
Yes. And you know, if you say a idea,
Akoma FM 87.9.
Yes, it's Benumi who the mo near the Aswa was a Bibisa.
The Jawa
near the Aswa, very good. The Jawa near the Aswa. And yet easy for every right, you know, it comes with responsibilities. Now, and only say Emra Yedrum say Ghana for a day sa akwanya way amaye. Na especially President John Dramani Mahama yedi amani bill for the second time. No, the expectation is high. Ubia expect say untimi nye bibi na untimi emfa the promises no make here no untimi emfa mbrem na embrem. And beside that no, so o share die na economy no ayakusi Ghanaians bebre editum enema na akoso a enko yie no na edoso. Indeed the task ahead no, it's not easy. It's not easy. So biaka say task no be easy as say so where your debt eyipa enyasem goto Ghana ye de kapa ka adokro yen na say oye omampani na say ye do be siso na say oman no de ka bebre say ya enye easy. Domestic debt exchange ne bebre no mo postpone ye no 2026 I hear say dodo na no be hit ya say
State of the Nation address no can say from this year this month your best start year and the first payment to be around $340 million and I know to abide for say ma yen try cry ma ye make any mistakes say yen tria see am
ono na ntia o ti obi for say
I we said it all in the last State of the Nation address. I say abani we say on the 40 say abani the 40 asem kese pa nti say I can say we are going to pay. They starting with $345 or $346 million. That's what we're starting with.
I think so going forward, we need to have a conversation about some of these things. It's going to be challenging. It's going to be challenging. Nobody is trying to give excuses. But the reality is, say, oh, you buying. Na so what be rains no for fro. Na obi a case so tia no wantia. Now all of a sudden no better now so that 6 months krama. Now asha say tia. It's not going to be easy. It means projects be near the day anka obetimi aye no anhwe ya untimi. But trust President John Dramani Mahama. Me, I believe in him. I believe say he is up to the task. Now share the pace with which or the AE ministers now any government appointees now ultimately say what on the boss say making sure say he's getting the right people who can address some of these challenges and who can move the nation forward. And you know, me assure say independent people see and go say first the crowd saying the less be back for yanko betimi aye, but he's doing due diligence beyond independent contribution, beyond the lobbies. And you know, what can the person do and how can the person contribute to the development agenda and I think he's doing very well in that regard. A lot of the appointments that has come so far, no, I don't think say Ghanaian they were unexpected. I think for most of them they were expected. Maybe it be a ministry fine, but people for expected so but a lot of them were expected. Now, Oshe, the distributions also, I think it's also commendable. When you look at the distribution, I mean,
in terms of them,
there are 16 regions. So for only about 3 regions, that if you say, I don't have the confirmation of the latest one now. But
latest one,
I'm not getting the confirmation.
Very good,
because that's what I heard it was fake. So that's why I'm not. So I'm still holding on to at least I think
about Thursday.
30 was it 13 or so that was appointed.
And Thursday no dey 9. As the ministries no. 9 and 3 regional ministers and so be kan ho. Aha. Nti no sanity so far yes. But apart from that regional issue.
Yes.
Ashanti region for Ashanti region for Enina Okamo Dr. Kesi Kaho Enina Kaho
Ashanti mine
so was appointment no ebi ba na ya che dodo ya che na che
appointment no oh say banka kranga because
if I saw 11 ministries
oh say yes I 11 ministries
and Freddy can buy and 9 about now 20 yenya 12
yes
yenya 12 nti aka 11 wa
aka 11 aka 11 oh appointment say na about appointment say so we reduce the ministry
no say the regional minister say ka ho dia fair ya fa no ka ho ready can buy 3 finance energy and then attorney general energy can buy
yes
and another batch buy so ye na no dey buy in between that me see any other
no
Thursday dey na making 9
oh, education
education agric roads and highways local government chieftaincy and religious affairs and trade agribusiness and industry and tourism culture and creative arts gender children and social protection fisheries and aquaculture. And the last one, youth, development and empowerment. Okay. 9 no
12 na.
12 no.
Aba anaka 11.
My problem is that you also the EP no pay.
Also pay. We cry nka any kwaswa. Any kwaswa.
Yehwe but say at the end of the day no the president has his vision and onim how person will see achieve those vision enti no ono abehwe ye nipa no dawson ye dawson ti obehwe ye obi expertise ni obi ye na ba bi ofi say ebeboa no na ordinato. And I know that at the right time, no, the president will make the right decision.
All right.
And just see about the pressure we bring.
I see. No, Prof. Yeah. I say, I student back on Facebook or say, I mean, having kind of message. Educate say Prof. Because that taught me geomorphology and hydrology.
Yes.
In 2021 I salute. I never got to see his face because of the nose mask, but now I have. There's a period actually I didn't know.
Oh, that was the comment time. Required to wear nose mask. It was Ken West policy. At the lecture you couldn't teach with that.
Okay, Dr. Keskin. Doc, that is saying official panso
official say next can nkwane ho
say afi yeshai
yeshawa da kona yeshawa
kona be
na de meti ayi taxima me pensa kwa una pay 5
and this yesha and yesha
o yesha be yesha
be yesha ye do
yo ben good do echa and he say come asem
akomi chilebu
say me position to order di me kwa ku
wa na me wa ban agenda ni
na catch prof say
na no ayekwa yi
me ba mama ka sempama
Longford
mama ka sempama no ti
ya ko Longford City na hu na me be na beto
I was there 24th I was there
oh ima
Longford City I was there Mr. Victor
me wo Victor me Victor twa pictures
Victor say jalabia me be
jalabia asem
and dey bia be hu I was there me buy jalabia and me have the
pictures
we have the pictures
you say we say jalabia picture
evidence we have the pictures better
because one pack keski ampa me
what's who no
squad me woman na jey me Victor me ya me one person man
pictures better
at the program na ekoso
me also me chairman odin hu kwa pia na nam me chairman free me came
me ba tell you me picture ni prof you picture ni me say I was there who say there be
na who me
hu
wo dey
me hu so asma disappear cancel go shot me prof
doesn't me who am for me
I was
I feel the memory number
mama don't memory
they all can you name by all the entwas
mama ntia chief na mentia party for you na omo ko omo ye adwuma day ahead of 2024 elections now me more prof abaso any NDC for abaso on the D-Day they proved said they wanted it more than us.
Okay.
Their strategies worked on the day. Before the elections, the enthusiasm was very high, but on the grounds, I think say Yentimia implemented and MIA. Kophobia trusted or more MISSC from. So I take nothing away from NDC.
Trusting Kophobia.
Well, I'm saying definitely, Juman away. You have to entrust people with responsibility.
That's the NDC for so fine.
They won't make us. You have to entrust NDC entrusted people with responsibilities. Only say the people were poised and they went out to deliver. The same thing. I get it. I know where the session conforms him. Prof, I wish you well. Now, there's a problem with appointments and your NDC in I say politics, boys no munya kwan kwa akra no I don't go for you so munya politics no
oh Simon
the appointments ba boys no akra no favor mo kesi
okay boys and how na okay
oh make party asem na make
both NDC
yes let me say NDC nkwa prof mangala asem
FM 87.9
both parties o we near my on the ground sir we no be to social media not akra no da continue Jubilee House but what we hear day to day hard work up and down no you it's a mass out from full politics na do so odini pe tu kwaja mo twa picture na be tu Facebook no apple boys to near manifest say hard working casket hard working Dr. Casket
Facebook are saying na okay
no this is social media politics and that is the politics our boys from Accra the Catholic any who mo prof say who mo
I
it's about appointment sense na we say boys from Accra no see o then but they are empty minded. Yes,
empty.
Some of them. No meaner.
Okay.
O just say, Babu Momo, a one Indian. Prof say, make a EP as me. We no be soon. I'm saying be on one number of environmental is the same. But this is what I can't hear. Who but Prof you know. Not Masaba, most journalists for. Also appointment the consensus among us. Say Ashanti region.
Oh, you frame.
Me say more you frame. That boy back when I saw about me say more. That it's a general statement. I'm going to back out of Nipa 40 something. That's how I'm back where insignificant.
Come with them this week now.
Me say journalists was say their development of appointment. I'm so arguing it. And the other regions I can't just say development of appointment. I don't think that's something say. That don't be fair. And this is also being Ashanti the mom the second highest.
Yeah.
And the second highest.
Second highest, yeah.
Appointments are bad. People say na Akova region. Don't say about Ashanti region. Don't say Akoma region. Don't say about Ashanti region.
And here can be said because Ashanti they also have the many here.
But that's it. These are the things. So.
Prof, that doesn't
Akoma FM 87.9
these are the things. Yeah, a year Frank Amakwin. Congratulations to him. He's a young man when at least it's a departure from the mentality say Ashanti region is and Abrewa. That's the good thing I see about an appointment. No, and when some people are appointing young men, who are Bujina Pablo by the chief of staff, not 34 years. Osha a year Ras and Subwati, almost the list is there. Just say, but a Ashanti regional minister that demystification about Mona. Now make casket. I'm 35 years. Be a doctor. Say about. I'm going to say a medical doctor. And I'm a one. Don't go to the PhD.
87.9 Kumasi.
You know the degree more they are fair enough when you. kabeba no kedema me anko be jema be ka chem se me bebunu na nze be comment she nje zanka ya akokra panyi no ka chem se panyi fon kwa ni mama me
o ne se ye wo mranti a omudi akonya
no me ba that's the point I'm making. That's what I'm saying. That demystification no, that's a good thing about the appointment. What other thing I about the appointment I'm just saying good say omo campaign no, they are the ones being given the appointments, so they know the stress they went through.
Okay. It's not about experienced people.
Experience. What is experience? Tell me, what is experience?
Oh, yeah, he has been there before.
What was the outcome? That's experience. Obian were employed go for bad experiences. So what was your experience? You can say Obi has been there before. What is that? Then US no, that is your experience.
Se bia okofi and do kofi to akosia de aba
nti ba wa kosia de aba ha nipa do se na wa adwuma ehu sampa wa dwen
but most of the things where do not have say deputy maybe more deputy ministers.
The point is say nipa no eye na oye adwuma upon the back am ani je ho was Sami Jamfi ba me say 24 obi am say Sami Jamfi put the who on the line for NDC
they did so well.
I did the Tamaklo near this. But they say that's what we say. So I will so no the war opposition no. I don't come as a year this time round. Yeah, the taxpayers can you Chanika.
I'm so.
Who didn't know Sami Jamfi was arrogant? Sami Jamfi was arrogant. He was very disrespectful.
That's.
No, I'm telling you, Sami Jamfi was very disrespectful. The man was sitting penny for him. And that's what I'm pretending.
Penny for bear.
And that's what I'm pretending.
When
so Sami Jamfi is sorry. Or see who that no or na do. We say or criticizing no. There's a difference between criticism and insults. Prof criticizing another pa. But there's no way we talk with the prof so we did another attempt that.
That's what I'm saying. Kind of say
me pato opa wa fa. But one let me make my point. The very sense say na osikasa abra na we communication director. Sabe na ndi sia na no we. Say the taxpayers can never be shown.
So true.
Nah, make me point sound say John Dini. And I say me get it down on Sami Jamfi.
Akoma
FM
87.9.
No, what's now you say?
Baba say me get it down. Sami Jamfi was arrogant and disrespectful as a communication director.
Because one chairman wa bang.
And this one chop no. Me just chop me by you. I don't need that. I don't need that from any NDC person. The same way NDC people were expected to me baba Mahama abaso.
So what's
but I did why you know based on the character I did why you know somebody can was it and the obi now we mu na the suba mu am dey say amwa na be ha zoot yen na ese me kan was me sia. That's the point I'm making. Okay. And the Samuel say no all eyes are going to be on him. Okay, go purchase program every time Kumasi. I do go for you buy a cassette on cassette here and no I say Sami Jamfi e kwa kwatena ho. Gold board Mahama say based on gold purchase program no so or be kan ho no say Sami Jamfi kwatena ho.
So set up the.
Me say kwa kwatena ho.
So we are board no.
Me say na kwa kwatena ho. E to kwatena ho no. E sikasem kese e no kwatena ho no. You are going to watch him. Shey no we mu mebuna ni mase. That is the fundamental issue me person me put you across.
Okay.
Na minia say between ra appointment say ni ma.
You ho na we.
My share vetting no.
Akoma FM.
It not for me they do answer more questions. Seriously. Me did be so here. One person had to force it.
Okay.
Abra the finance minister or campaign then as minority leader. I say Koko for she figures ni na. Is it to check 6,500? One case asem. I go convert you because say it is that boy now we should be to the Koko can expect 6,500 so there be minimum Koko board the books na minimum car mo dey na sales credit no to fertilizer sales credit no to workers can taba no ka say check Koko for 6,500 no say min dey say o mo to fertilizer na away say min dey say aha no mo dey kan na away na say deliberately no when I say o deceive Koko farmers. My family your cocoa farm bear over 200 acres. Okay, not my money ajipa. me so abro mani ajipa
so am traba ma so also am
then me point me
so am traba ma
no give my point me see obro no mani ajipa say ni expect so be implementing me empa me born say me MPP ni saka jomama ba ni ma wo share bo me A B C D E F G no any say obedi super pepe any mo just simple so kan ye no sa Ghana koswa ni me na so fa so
87.9 Kumasi.
sa prof EPA boss na prof ebe make sure say galam say I mean bet san kan ho asem open mining ni deep mine na okay kan ho asem ni nya be adwuma prof na be na so fa so that na say bomb by say ni say o mine ko so eti owura atu force ni promise awon here is 6,500 no dem make us ekafo hwe ni mu because the cocoa season away ni ya twen so about 6,500
me amekwe ni cocoa kwe ni njini
eti any you twen
we say no
eti twen
my one pa
because ama sa 6,500 but be 200 dem be ye ho ya e be su prepare but some na ye cocoa krafo no ye benefit from cocoa farms no ye no certain issues
I mean mo be chere mu
no be saying dey go home me say good it is say no certain issues based on that ebio who say this year share but say in the first 120 days have a free no fee policy no or implementing also 120 days them
yeah
now interestingly you must say right to force and say can students not expect it because we share but still within 120 days no also 120 days in term and but we are still within it but who are we say on a numbers more for election we say about this year policy no there are some numbers in mind. You be say one started to papa so oh I'm not the finance minister yet. On the flip side you be say so e-levy betting tax oh you betwem number some answer that question no a finance minister and NDC share but no money numbers be ada ho say enkwa no bio school prof no ba
Yes.
no bi enkwa no mintimi ntua ne say dey na yom
chebia bia what you better fund o better fund dem
one better fund where we did get fund e man no other better one thing. They have no plan.
No, but let's wait and see until we get there.
Because you with you. It is saying. Let's support into let me tell you this point. And why be school this month here? But the people I agree 10 days. That's why we say we are still within the 120 days. It's at least have been factual.
Yema government then take shape.
Shape then
all the appropriate body reason. No, I'm saying that you know that President John Dramani Mahama cannot at this moment say or issue directive say we should go this way. I mean right now
I don't issue directive
or take it
Sergeant yes but so what's the issue directive say we should go this way now you know for you go one set up ora what are you talking about?
Remember this deals
what are you talking about? Process very
ora assembly
the process very about cause was set up ora so how take shape because the how take shape it better we can say they hear no the otimi about all appointments no first thing on the buy some kind of education we can know with education dey na kan and am wa so what stopped it the point I'm making is I mean case 120 days entry what I say it's still early days but every time say crowd say yeah mo den and you dey what dey so when I share sabon it's not about oh young train it's not there no there there be the say man ya wo nya
yeah
it's a two force answer o ma we no it shows say NDC for they came only to promise us no almost finance minister that means a prof tie bi dia no be say no I have no idea almost a question about 24-hour economy. So what is the model like? Who sikasem? Also the when he say this a gusitan on the sheso. No if you say 24-hour economy. Assuming you say this crowd any flame like slip of advice idea about it crowd. They see first another economy.
87.9.
Finance is another economy so na me boa. Na ka say the be say the gusitan. That's what tell you say still
can we primarily based on the answers at the committee
yes
to assess
me say yes
abide the policies
yes sir me can buy the policies now
so
no
you've mentioned
make I say me can
you've mentioned stress free
no fee stress
you bisan or mu bisan wo ho me can energy policy ho asem
akakuku
maka koko asɛm because ɛno na ɔno aka ho asɛm oda sɛ aban policy no koko ana me promise ɔyɛ ho asɛm na meka there is nothing na maka wɔ ha a NDC anka na adanta maka wɔ ha a yɛ musa na about converting if there is one just point it out to me me say the answer of mine no it says of man who ye that's the point I'm making
ɔno as a person and as a part aban ni na
now if ɔno na mo say on the need finance on the madam sika asema no everyone who else mabam hu ye
okay
that's the point abio meti eye
last abio no
oh minia na me tuma asa me ka say asa me go asa ade amike say be touch on LGBT no on as a different topic
Akoma FM
na mo kan mo say bio na
production fan kan
baby what's say mahama the Azumi office no appointments any matters arise you know was make
matters arise
you know come
matters arise
it's my car appointments matters arise
remember how no kan wa say why
me say it we share eye mandio obi na jonjinapo okay say somewhere in November Don Japan was busily convincing Ghanaians say ECG when obi agena be privatize it now we government intervention free more ECG can work government intervention say opa say aban ni manima omo de car omo ntua omo say mo na prepaid meters sare so mo tua ECG aba na ECG can work
87.9
Don Japan ye boni din say we energy minister designator and also the ECG must be privatized okay so mo question ECG workers achi pay public utility workers achi and no demonstrations so dem people about person auto ECG
because some go say chira
no they influenced it and he was part me tell on this side I no say almost supporting people so many demonstration now buying
the fact that will be supported doesn't mean
I'm a politician
but you see your politicians here communicating say masses
John Zinaponi NDC supported the demonstrations against the privatization of ECG.
Fine.
But they say no, Obenya 2 million.
Supported that.
No, on case open lock as almost force. Ntiane support. Because omo share, omo ko share chire dia, and omo share chire na omo ye demonstration dia no dia.
Na pop no share chire. Pop tell pop share chire. Abi say am me body. But I dey point am make you say. Obenya 2 million, I go say the MPP no nyansa won. Only no time for 1 month for 2 months crowd. 4 months in po. The baby say public workers no mo show mo demonstration no. What are they saying?
Almost so started make calls. I mean
so they should know say do ya abide the bottom.
Right. Yeah, I don't know mo crowd money that.
And problem dey bia say e na me ku fere say doom light. Don the public so waka 5 hours of fuel. Forgetting say then your plants the gas and the power plants no and your liquefied fuel
yes me that say me that say my doc remem ma doc remem Dr. Samuel Free ha qu'est-ce que waka sa chepa ye dim comment so che am paga sa chepa why you bio why 20 Bio. They are implementing
87.9.
No, almost they are not even calling people. They are just organizing the fact. But we are now Attorney General fraud. Yeah, also okay.
There's a question.
Doc.
The committee has no probative legal value.
Doc. Dr. Samuel Efriye. Casken. Allow Dr. Samuel Efriye to also share it. Every day neighbor. One year a mamina. Aha, we are fine. Doc, I just say,
oh na me adom boko
I may say.
So who here?
Oh yes, you go so.
Even so oh pa.
Ayo.
Wa cha na mamwai.
Who na che oh.
Me hu na che.
Oh. Eba sinkum na wo kan.
Ah, Eba sinkum.
Presidential journalist.
Isa.
Presidential
journalist.
Mo dey post dey mu che kuma. Mu che post kuma. Post dey ah.
Nene no kre.
Ala no kre.
CEO
24 hours ago. And I'm the
See the ball like
for create portfolios. Anyway. Qu'est-ce que
Michia Prof.
Yes.
And Dr. Keske. Official pastor. Now,
say big so you see when I watch in some
president, you know.
So you see, Nyame Adoma Monday dear. The final list in November. That will be the final batch of the
on the issue statement and I say Sana Warding.
I was saying here.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Even presidency no information.
Say no. O kind one sir. Kind one sir. Say the 14 days in the me about next week now.
Okay.
Tuesday, yeah, and tea.
I say I saw for almost data the professor.
No, but that's it. I dig.
And science be now your observation be now I say what you shame come we say
but listen, so far no we are surprised. Surprise is man and
I'm not really surprised
much,
but I'm happy for Haruna going to the Ministry of Education. Yes, I'm very, very happy because of on one case me penasem.
Okay.
In the political way, I have a special share that meaning in Komosoda, but I love the way I handle who know in the politics, and he has been a loyal member of the NDC, minority leader, you know, party, you know, was 7 years since time.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Active politics, you know, I think, and we can leverage so. He cut across all the political divide. That is what Mame Penasem. Now here the Ministry of Education and the way MPP invested a lot. Any changes are more the buy, you know. So when you will be a matured politician, somebody who cut across, who can seek advice and ask, obey to me, I will come be bitch now, I'll draw attention, obey to me at here. Now when you want here now for beer, oh you should I say one way or same education also no it's a prof for you Zebi I
want to be able to see
go school there you yes I hot seat yes and the horror ankasa so no here personality or command some kind of respect say even we share unions we share we are they can able to handle when you be na sorry I see a cost strike it's be you is how you see any answer you miss but I say that's what people think so 50 years me cost strike 50 years me cost strike it depends on some of these ministers how they handle us I did the situation in here who say now so pay how you handle obi one verse of upper east upper west tamale wa bedru Accra na ya be meeting na say your bargaining authority no ni honti no mo san ko na mba the following week what kind of just say sometimes it's just the respect any here respect into these unions ni and the hono so school ni ni sabi obi asu nim enti no who use dubious ways bia na man for a little bit suspicious enti for me I think he's the best for now. So because our education ho now what to me because issues of debt issues of negotiations why and we hear the background of being a lawyer and the way call other ministries no but to me a hand so Haruna I was very happy that we got that kind of personality for the education and now she said appointment no so no hwɛ mu yie because you went DC for ukrum ha almost so no qualify seriously
prof trans prof a distribution no prof they are fairly
the distribution is not fair It's not fair.
Mechanics are based on say we share the numbers Ashanti region is one region, and so if you take it's one of the 16 regions. So I'm not talking about voter population.
Okay.
Because when you see voter population there, then there has been unfair distribution. But if so, because per region there, so far I think it's only one region that has 2 ministers. The rest is one for the 13 regions. And a 3 in here Ashanti Northeast. And I'm say
and regional ministers now okay.
No.
Regional
ministers. And I make a regional minister, excluding regional minister. So regional minister there will be free region. And a regional minister there, to be honest, Ashanti region, I think we have gotten a fair deal.
Oh yes, that is good.
Amwako Hene is a fantastic guy. And now in the age and also so it gives a lot of hope to the youth.
Yes.
At 36 and you've been nominated as a regional minister designator. I think
it's 2020.
Yes, so I think Ashanti region, when it comes to the we are not even talking about because they are fair deal in the region. But we are talking about the national ministerial appointments. And that's what we are talking about. And I was saying, it says also 16 regions now. It's not like we are saying, but if you take Northeast as one region, Savannah as one region, and you take Ashanti as one region, that's the contest. Nana maybe can say, I have 1 throughout. So for I appointed 11, I appointed 12, and out of the 12, it is distributed among about 11 or so regions.
I've forgotten the name. Obobi, one of these of free. Is it Joansa or Joaso? This woman, the NDC, one of the ladies. No,
any appointment.
I'm just mentioning those.
Yeah, and the end also. When you have been now, because okay, will be a body deal.
And your best say,
I'm sure I'm told say yes, the region will have
it fair share.
Yes,
but hope because we expect to say your number for only close friends I work region competent.
That's a key thing.
PV Jantua Honzuba Munina system. So we need them. We need them. Prof, your hands is or Minipa.
What can we have a friend? Prof say in the background, so I can't say when you're Director General. Yes, Director General.
Yes. Can you bad?
And I said TV. So, but what you science no?
I believe saying that.
Don't could Prof the no EPA no. EPA. So I mean maybe in the background the EPA be one.
I'll be very happy.
Yes, EPA. Yes. Because you see say we share nipa ye bo mu nyina din a. Prof for instance, you call EPA.
Yeah.
You have that hope say obeko na the niema we share within the period. The observation research o ma ye. But no prof early did some research. Yeah, didn't come on. I'm saying come on. They were doing research. Then we give them opportunity. No more so the omo call omo effective changes. Now boah. Go far be na way but there be competency is one.
I think say competency and loyalty to the party and those who have sacrificed are key. And prof why be nobody. You see, young prof we are not saying say free baby near do mu. So you see, you more point. They are here. They are qualified, party, loyalty, committed, campaign. So we also Ashanti region also have people. I let's say Nyamiad maybe President Mahama Bebaha Ochna. Whether it's true.
Okay, well, I know say and what's not by Neno. He will be in the region from Reneko.
Okay.
That's what.
Maybe some consultation. Now you came
consultation there.
Came with your more than sank PV na benya infama no na I'll be very happy to say PV nya everybody yesu na garage mu anje everybody your traffic light ase
omo care media na ko say enra no me vetting om the command yes because of pressure na we dom the command and care media no see no
but it's normal to have pressure in, because when it comes to mayorship you know the city, the second largest city in Ghana, 16 regions, and I just say, "Oh, be yeah." Some you must say, "Me, I expect to say it will come."
Yeah.
Competition, is so smooth. It has to be fiercely contested.
One thing is that and near a cohort, a saying, near courage minister. So
yes,
because of the business within.
Yes.
All over the world.
I'm telling you,
yes.
New York City mayor or more powerful than the governor of New York.
Sir John, we are expecting the young for no man a year campaign. We wish that consider because we will be happy. And again, Minister I think at forcing well when the mua obianim so obinya sa ministerial way, but the key area I was expecting say Unipa Greek
one day
qualified
a very practical person in a Greek. You see, I say I'll be surprised so Bebana as a Greek ministry I'll be surprised because they know the thing practically in a Greek because I don't know
what I say, me say he is a Greek. He lives a Greek.
Yes.
He walk a Greek.
Yes.
This is an embodiment of a Greek. And I wish him well. And I will be the first
vetting. They be a mania time machine.
Yes. Where farmer
never be a presentation.
Yes.
Definitely they will ask questions based on that.
Me say he lives a Greek.
It's going to be
although I will be the first person to be disappointed. So but me will be disappointed because the man is an Greek person. Who be I say who be who say we say
I'm sure he will sell.
Oh yes, I'm optimistic.
And that's the point I was talking about.
There are certain ministers be our own.
Yeah.
I'm so the presentations be
I'm so optimistic. Me need this to fail. Don't have to fail. Haruna should not fail.
Omunyina krobu akọ bia faili. Don't get me who qualify near do call go and excel.
Yes. And this time is also we are more than because you might not have deputies at the same time, you know. You have to
I don't expect Pablo George Pareado.
So Benya deputy
the youth development and empowerment to Benya deputy. I don't expect that ministry to have a deputy. No, because you see
offer 60 per there 2 ministries
chieftaincy local government should have because by a local government chieftaincy religious affairs.
Yes. And
you are combining 2 ministries. Labor. Transport say transport Let me see youth development because you see because
transport they say one and railways near aviation near
but you see chief director
highway it must say transport is
no but you see Adeba say ministries ni bia the entire make be how omunya deputy ministers
and the end I will suggest definitely no so ecosystem ni prepare o say omunyina benya deputy minister be 62 and the 60 no promise yen so and prepare there and then say ministries and just omunya
youth
deputies
youth and empowerment
youth empowerment and
good Some ministry no.
And development, I think youth empowerment.
OSHA, Ministry of Labor, Jobs and Employment. Even though where the focus will be on youth, but mean them how a bit different from the target of labor, jobs and employment. It's more or less, it will be like the youth ministry, no, will still be operating maybe some directives and directions of the jobs and empowerment, you know. Youth will be directed towards that line.
Akoma FM.
Because they empower youth and you man
It depends on
It will be more than that. Education.
So education is
another ministry educated and
another ministry. So anti
you can't say any agenda. Educated both a man and agenda who in your view.
Because even the focus is about
gender no be here deputy because of Omo Hawa Omo
social protection.
Social yes.
People to handle
Anyway.
But definitely no two ministries say occur by the 16 there just two ministries in
transport gender.
What is your money?
yeah, I think President Mahama you kind of saying is in a tight corner. Yes, it's not easy. I think I sympathize with I empathize with the president because our number now kind me jilizenka okobebi wa wonko yesesa sabon because 60 no is not we have been in a tradition for appointing ministers more than and trying to rationalize it to 60 no it's not easy. Fortunately or unfortunately so no 16 regions so abemu no dey be hard kakra nti obi a wanya ministerial position be no
region ministers here automatically you don't have deputy.
Akoma FM 87.9.
I don't think so.
But now the second term obi anyabi.
Yeah, it's a way. I think we should try to because Nkrofo Egwachiri Nkrofo Egwachiri say chief executive no say every day be am say ba ko ba say me no na ba sa de fake so na GFP is not because around there be a fe na nya ono
Aboli Sulia.
na de no say
Can say any of you.
What the correlations now?
I send you.
Go for manufacturing.
No, you letters nana.
No, no, fake.
Send the fake. But last minute. Meaning something on
the changes by.
Bauer, Ghana gas there. Because Ghana gas also the JB Akoma.
It is why be a letter no more.
He said, John, appointment no. Say the other corner. Say the more presidency. You are printing letter no. You are printing letter no. I will who say you are printing. I try to say president best time. What they try say what bet you try and your presidency is anopa. We be any about different person they assign. That's how it is. I don't know and yet easy.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Ah boy you and you say this time there very powerful because oh yes and Mejidi said now no Nkrofo a omo pick up now I was expecting say even George Napo on be shifting ako different because it doesn't mean say why a deputy now we have to make you to be the substantive minister and inti hono Sami Jamfi o court said na Dr. Kesken Kano I think in the way of communication also Sami the communication director of the NDC inti ya onhwe inti omo modna na also sa ni nayi mu kakra and seriously I was expecting Senka be a deputy CB in Kubenya be, but the way I deny I did no, a one also walk. And you did say, yeah, more than you never support home.
Let me put it here that Sami has a first degree in environmental science.
Oh yes, the background and economic policy.
It's first degree.
Yes.
So going to the after first degree we are better no. But I'm saying going to with the first degree in environmental science and going to gold board no. I think it aligns. That's the point I want to make.
But we are both you know be a gold board now.
Gold board. Anyway, no PMMC. They see no acting there for PMMC.
Yes, but also
mandate to create the
board.
Gold board.
Gold purchase program. As part of gold purchase program, what I say, and a Bank of Ghana and a PMMC to gold the corner. And now to gold now you mean the boys. Program some come hijack is at the match. No be at Ghana go for Ghana gold no. A PMMC a jumedi omudi no. And then this if I paid the value to friend gold board. Say a cocoa board to gold no. This time I say talk gold for oil near to gold near building a reserve in gold. Yeah.
So there should be a board.
That's the point.
There should be a board. Currently we don't have a board.
So PMC will do that job.
But create a board on mobile.
So when we are PMC building.
No, that was also on Monday.
Yeah, PMC will be part of.
Good. But I call duplication of fund, but that's okay. I have no problem. Maybe they say once it still falls under PMMC, no, I'm okay.
Yeah.
But the duplication of functions now. Every moment I'm doing a good board. That's it.
Oh, I think they will do more than what PMMC.
No, but they say about the whole policy. More than. What kind of manifesto? I think it's page 62 of that big manifesto. Me indicating inside there the gold purchase program. No. And that is what that Buraba Mamu creating reserves and it be good for all your knowledge. It comes back into the same thing.
What's the direction? I just want to twasso.
Don't me say it comes back into the same adeno. But this about who said now also gold ababa alternative forex. And yet that your friend say dollars in quantity forex you see. You know some gold which mean trade on the gold or the world market. Diamonds which mean trade. And I think so that's where at least your finance and economy. And I think so and no buy now so better so it's a good thing. Make us say a good thing. And that's why I'm baby.
Yes.
But minerals commission is for all the minerals that we have. That's the thing. Once a PMMC precious minerals and marketing to monitor all minerals. Yes. Including gold, no. But this
diamond so I don't think that this will be limited to only gold.
No, the reserve they creating no. Now we are diving also gold and you talking about $10 trillion. So if say UK are only gold no, all gold reserves in billions. And then UK economy is strong no. Yes, UK fund pounds.
My currency is strong.
UK fund pounds. But we go the back home currency now. No matter what, currency holding. I did be secure currency because my release gold to cover it. It dey be currency looking robust. Unlike dollars, we are seeing $80 now. It's UK inflation as a form of good. I show that's how inflation, no? And that's the thinking around it. Russia for about Ukraine war, the chance, you know. Who say you are simply for the some Russian currency say? And not pegging against dollars, or pegging against gold. And the pressure there may be that gold receive. Gold receive, we are seeing an share pressure. A basic economic sense, but it made absolute sense. I think it's the right thing to do.
I see. But remember how I can't remember the problem share more MNBC's appointment. They say where the approach are more far. People should apply, go through vetting. Then committee in Besha on this to three. No, it wasn't like that.
No, previous. I don't think so. I don't.
Oh, they need vetting. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
No, okay.
I know some friends are.
Yes.
That's what the MPP
okay.
Okay.
They will call you even Accra. Bra.
Limited
numbers here.
That escaped me. Yes, that escaped me. But okay, anyway, but we say, may I had opportunity. If Trafa ho, vetting me shall confirm him the full how we host it here. We are party man. Money and say is a good step.
Yeah.
At least.
Yeah.
Say ni pano. Your man opportunity or converting as a veteran and far. yama dance ye de be hyɛ ne kon sɛ ye de hyɛ ne kon umpu ye ne yi obi ne yi ne dinaba
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
O gene saying.
Yeah, I was going to say it's quite innovative until I had this information. Say MPP did the same. If you say strengthen the internal democracy in the party, a very good form maybe. If you say money in the end, no. Assembly and it will be or didn't you because I didn't want to appoint Professor Abuaje DC and as MC for Recruit. And I say for KM because my apply man go for form. It offers everybody the opportunity. We heard numbers new baby Upper West. Upper West I say upper 17 yes, maybe 40. What does that mean? Yes, this will be 40. Hey, 40. You know, yes, but at the end of the day, no, so pick a form, no, next year more the opportunity to go and vet, and all the criteria, and also about what they should be looking for, the composition of those who vet them. No, let's say, oh, corners one making their cut now, then that is fine. Don't you complain, baby? Say, at the end of your mouth, we say, it didn't feel say a best, yeah, almost shortlisted 3 people now. Yeah, the president has that prerogative. He so be appointed, and you know now on one choose. But me going forward, I'm hoping, and I'll be honest about this. So one day these people will be elected. I'm hoping. So ultimately, so to aba, otoma president, no to ama MP, no to ama MC.
They're treating on the same day.
On the same day. That is my hope. So one day, so they be at the cost involved in the election near the didn't so much here. And who could you know not say to president and who said Nenji assembly you decline to you president and they say actually about to and before boycott who say sad the name who bet me like a boycott to engineer they says you're tuning in at the same time. Exactly. The same day.
But maybe can we join about to any assembly for the assembly members here and came to the same day.
Thank you.
To the same day. Not the same process now. You qua parliament. Say you took with the assembly the Nanka
didn't know to me.
Because local politics we know how they use this out because if an MP comes from a certain traditional area, MC, people might expect that it has to go to another. But also, our locality, no, I for no play key role. Local politics, until one thing I know is seriously say. Until sometimes I know say one of Obiana minim no cooperate for this year. They said say or no qualify for that we no only the kind. But the no say MP no if it's a traditional area, so they have to give it to because or no the same traditional area no and mumie no
you to abane dia you to abane dia na ko basa na say any abane ya tuye no we nyanti
some of these things you know yana local way no very very important as some balances be bem because I him follow a play key role. Obu was my end also way. Obu also say e be ana community no be ana o say your paramounts. Ewo sam obu
amai be poso.
E be a be poso insuta way na e be a insuta akonya MP. Mi ko free oba no MP. Na fe de asaba ye kan say DC ana so no so be free insuta. Be poso for name one from that no. Omo MP nti sa dynamics no so no. But you say be play when some of these things are coming. Say be some fair deal for the local.
But I think giving opportunities for people to pick forms and then to
file
actually
and
file and go for vetting and have the
Akoma
Omutia constituency executive. Constituency executive say 1,500.
Vetting process in vetting process in says.
And the official one.
Some unofficial there.
Unofficial
because I got champion from the number.
Filing of a presidential and parliamentary candidate. You pay as well.
But when you pay, within party, the party assembly go to 3,000. 3,000 they bet people so. Oh, not 3,000. You know, some party members. Some can you be
be careful with your fatwa.
Oh, something got to be with your factual. Be careful with your factual.
In our politics, any day for we gift tax. Yes, Kesken. Na mebu. You see Ankasano, Ebren intima. In fact, my musa this question. Where there as you say, more position. And here we bruhana mu or some you hojuma. As in Crawford TTS money ade. Oh the man do on kind there. Official on kind but won't be the cook you see one time my pay cook and they say even though when him say a near my cost region anymore no ebia yenya party nya a new face going forward there but ubusa chairman de no kwapia say chairman ubeko general sorry ubeko regional chairman was it too early on kanda even though Marfo grassroots where the foot soldiers foot soldiers I already say omra say on one kasa but matisa go for bia tiasi mu a ubusa omo say they are coming to contest
me say Sir John
me same crab there also chairman
national chairman yeah, can't shut the region. Also, the quiet. I shut the region. Some year came. Also, yeah. What kind of my body did say or no? At least they prefer the year. And you maybe the American campaign man. Me the son of tea. Yes, we are me Joseph Yami me a campaign man. Okay. Number for the mega campaign tea. Coca dear.
Also, Matty.
Nationally, the Jamo for my dear.
The concern is that
yes,
party no go through restructuring. Omo try to amend one or two things. Omo say I saw more executives omo aka how many years?
O say 2026. One ba 2 years pelo.
Aka be 2 years. Na say Marfo na ye be contest na.
Who can say say defeat wey you defeat ni patra kwa mata no so.
Keske ma
defeat. Defeat people don't kuno. Who be so omo tra kwa this time is Anzana waba.
So what can
the say
the microphone man.
Sabra don't go kwapia. Obe contest regional chairmanship no. He's coming.
Yeah.
Wow, you so be contest you aso bo. It's as simple as that.
So me say DB but that no.
Go for the question go for but we know all of that. No, it's good. We are consummate democrat. I don't know ma push away. But when you try to speak the truth. Na me say am penny for the biso kasado do. One of such of Ashanti region but change. I want to deal with this matter. Without any apologies, I want to deal with this matter. When you say Oba Subina, Oma police station, want to about Subin police station, about 45% of them they don't live in Subin. That was the album I used in Bachenchi. Debbie, me say 45% deliberately. I mean to Subin.
I know the Lucy.
Yes. Mitino Asempa, he made the point say, a year about Omoya campaign on our Subina American campaign because you new parliamentary candidates. But tell me, this okay was empower no some
no cressas
he's my former MP.
Well, who is our
campaign better party in a week. Only my dear Savior was me.
Yeah.
And he said, Obi, ever contest or win a parliamentary prime minister. I can soon embrace a corner. I can press I go. I can just be done for winning. Because party for crowd were not willing to vote for Eugene because of his arrogance and disrespect. Now you just win. What critic album can time say? If you're wearing a better party in a week. Now it's me sure who I could blame JFK. No, go for refi. JFK. On a map on a mono the party week and stuff. Which reasonable person? On a be our own to my. Let me say, why the party never coso. Let me make my point. Minya, who can say it? One TNC. Mati, party made in the trauma. About if you on my issue, party no. Jeff Kibaye, why Mati, Jeff Kibaye, why elections mean a year presidential primaries. We be born about the way he managed himself. Parliamentary primaries. For the first time, I have power. I caught into a parliamentary elections. And yet, a man free you me. And I say, oh, I'm a MP, so I'm Lucy, but I'm independent. For the first time, it takes only two. Only two. Now, say, your politics, now say, we build the album, Tan City, Eugene Boachenchi, a year war, Subin. About 45% of polling station executives. So, I'm going to buy house to house now. Oh, Subin, Omonteho. Ah. What else were you expecting? Better party in any week. Eugene, a prime is very now caught on that. Still as well. That
was 2016.
2020.
Was that 2020?
I think
2020. Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
Me say, should be near quite campaigner. Vivid be who says security on TikTok. My minister catches so on Abugata idea kabuti me spray a year muti fumigation that also another fake grant tomorrow. That's how arrogant Eugene was. This is what we need Eugene. This is what we need Eugene. Now I'll turn around to claim say party ni weak. Party ni getting weaker. The question is say, only me so make it one crowd my party ni weak. How can we blame him for? And people shouldn't forget. Just the urban, near your polling station elections, your electoral area coordinators, your constituency officers, your regional officers. It's not party ni weak. I don't blame you on now. Or better now, a solo home, a year presidential parliamentary elections. Oh, be a cast of one more day.
So are you saying by this? Are you saying say we should take JFK out of the?
I'm not saying take him out of the question. I'm saying say people should be objective in the analysis. You know what a way to play. It's a obia or born the one more day and no be a man receive more Abu JFK so you Eugene Boachenchi. The other names are Matiti.
87.9 Kuma.
Omu go say with my son say boys a new in say omo Ashanti region there. Omu be your opportunity to abai mu no mo bo omo. Abai omu ka say party ni week ni bibia no. Omu do say dey na omu ye and omu ti ka tell na do. Say na do policy ade to and why it's any sense. Abai JFK boy no mo dey ka say oh the man hwanye resafo appointee si bi kwa mo do nya ne manto no. Omo de nya kokodu e support the JFK kan no. Ena mi tie mi nya pani eye former MP ayepe. O say bra JFK kan no, ena yem pani fo na kan nya boss. Etimi support na asem no kan na. Kana no musa ampada aso abante no kan no, na nyansa wo. But everybody keep quiet. Some men omo so mo pani ye hwe positions na no mguta. Where CEO, where deputy CEO, now where former deputy minister. Abomu
Ebele also protect you omo juma mo because
it's protect you
we what party office and we no the office or CEO no mampeni na adom no ndi wa kan no to when Lucy what
it's my point I make can say some man wa kan wa to one one cash no you are part of the problem so you are to be about rescue from the problem and you but you are hypocrite
87.9
kwa bana we did no na sabe no conscience almost the party week it was gone. Say opposition won't say
obviously say we be many panel a national appointment and Abibisa, you look at what he has done within the locality. And with the say me a yekin, say ye Bob Dina, we Dina. Grassroots for say food soldiers people say any Panama Bonidino. Then why am I from why you Bonidino?
Yes, Sejon.
And they will push Obia or Qua or Bekai because of their way to
government introduce several policies. Upon hindsight, I will say if you are not counterproductive. Yes, sir. Betting tax at force in court interview, seeing a 50 million cedis penny free.
Yeah.
Toast, near 78 million. It had the toast to cover betting tax, right? Yansa Bieni. But on one, see a more cassette partner in weakness for. So no more dear he pan it me cassette here. So taxes no. A view. You levy. A buy will black and once in view. But only it me cassette here, you levy same one. A view. So don't. Did you pay a bank of a buyer? No. You're a base middle class. Without due respect. And this is when you know. You woman no jubilate or kwemu. Or a Ghana for. But no do crop for ma. No woman no jubilate. Middle class on moment me count to because I know what I'm saying. Let me go to Sabia. No one no jubilate. I could count them. Did you know? Middle class on the top treasury bills, on the investments. I'm also a seller of investment and a half a year. And you don't say they were happy. Only let me say TI. I'm sure your constitution, I buy your amendment, that's something for you now. All they were part of the scheme. You have for Korea upon free. I don't know for what was that. No, so we are president. That doesn't mean say you are the leader of the party. There's the leader of the party, that's the chairman of the party. We are president, you are the leader of government business. Now, the party must be an internal check on government excesses to protect power now. Party letting I winning 2 elections. No. For me, cabal. You really understand how to name the leader of the party. Now, the general secretary, now, chairman. We they criticize and condemn the leader of the party, which is the president. So invariably, we made the party weak in 2014 with that amendment. Say, yeah, no. I prepare so I want to come back the palm the body palm I focus on Japan. In 2014, consistent the party got weaker and weaker and weaker. The government became stronger.
The last time at the Congress, Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Heroes Park. Okay, say propose as a buyer for amendment. Party no defer those amendments.
Yeah, go read what there.
You pick it
absolute sense.
You offer and propose as a buyer, or we indicate as soon as seen a proposal way, or we indicate group, or more a group, the group they buy a proposal as a or more dear Bania Dinga. Or would defer.
But Yankos have proposed. Something you say the party consistently became weak. Or no didn't start time no more or benefits of me, Dino. All of a sudden, who say any half a party was weak, some blaming everybody. No, they are just being non hypocritical. They are not being truthful with the truth. What I say, but we for me, Baba, we are going to speak truth to power. We are going to speak truth to anybody. Or try say no criminal will be done. No criminal Jeff Kiba, why do you wait my 2 tests? They are value legacy. Parliamentary elections, presidential. For the first time, resources about straight to constituency level.
Now who calls him?
It's sad. That's a movie. That's a movie. We have to the Nicosi, JFK, so that JFK, I'm about to chairman way. Now there's a some way. That should tell you, say, at least Jumedia abandoned the no. Yes, the money shadows, as I also Takrate. And you only said JFK wasn't the system's candidate. When the names I don't know.
I am aware.
No, the system can
the day of election I was there.
Exactly. And the reason officer, Tatana. We don't tell them gangi up against him now. Me now one prevail.
87.9.
Only appointments are there to national. Me now omu dey such a way say be no. Now the former guy no John Bodu say na nan call for your post. Okopaso obo ebia na they fight him. But Jeff was intelligent to bring them on board. I don't mean that Juma. We probably do. You're restructuring. We don't come in no more some America. But maybe I want to say on authority say, Mina, Eugene Bachenki, sincerely, sɛ menkɔ a metu aba gye sɛ maadwene
that's awesome there.
Mama say message I think say Eugene is not fit for purpose, especially when you talk about general secretary position.
All right, that's fine. That's say. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mama, I'm more other contesting.
I know what I say. Me could be teacher. Why?
Right, my friend from Rem. Na yenim command pay. But over to me adjoin here. 0322498035 0243114497 0322498035 0243114497 Obana bacho why in TTM no ma kasa so ho atia ma me bebo me pa me da say hello good morning Major Suminia Hamza mi ti
ya bi cha pa mi cha na ka ti cha ma wana ho ga cha ma di ni na ko kan ho pa na ka di ni ya ko ya ni pa ya mi pa ko na o mo ko wa le ya di cha ka na no ana a ga ko ma bi ji na ko ka ya ma ka ya ka wa ma di na ko ya ko ni a ti na ko ya ri ya ya ka ko mo ke ya be ko mo ma ma ba ke le ba ko ma ti ko ka ni bi an di you ko ka ni di cha na ko
me da say hello good morning.
Good morning, sir. John.
Yes, sir.
That's Queenie. Watch dog.
That's Queenie. That's when I'm in Timinia.
That's the chair come from the president is selfie. The other see the area, and that's all. You know, Ghana be Tipioma, we feel the big and control BS cars and Papa Farmer. I think very competent. You know, yes, Papa, I don't know how to be Ghana and I agree. I do about Ghana for one ballot for me. And you know, feeling, I didn't know me, my and tell us, really, or the land, some ballot to them, with the color now, we've gone out for 20 years. But if you get about the just money free,
Meda Seminia, Obimabi, na Yankoen. Good morning.
Good morning,
yes, sir. Alaj, Mamin Timinia.
The food, the 257, the 257, the DPS. They are there, the cancer, the budget is under now. The 257, in that time, I've not paid because of fact. Abro pa bantani banade abro pa kete bi abro ofa
me da Seminia me for some hello good morning.
Good morning sir.
Yes sir.
That's Jamal in Katafia.
Jamal meet you Seminia.
Let's that's the meeting or book match or that's the game and the ocean Zuba. Azuba must be a game with Zuba with the clothes and you do so bit of the display or bit of Matali. You know, I get my Japan at your clothes. Now, I don't want to not just a time another of a new Ghana. The Nabi, you know, the two of the same person when I would the class to be considered as a really the other one, the another woman saying, not the big Ghana process, not the young poor idea, but at the Ghana, we want another Ghana for Yana and a young near them. So be there and another baby, you're saying Ghana for a young or a no media today yet. I am a yet. What's your opportunity yet? Yes, I'm not that I am in a man and I'm in Yamu Party, the same year, and the party, and the
yes, Seminia. But you're my friend 03224 98035 0243114497 03224 98035 0243114497. But you're feeling for money. Now you come. Good morning. Good morning. Nyamete Asiminia.
ɛwurade nka mo ho paare adwuma pa a moyɛ ɛde boa akwankyɛman ne ghanaman ɛyɛ bɛtuma kele bi hɔ no afei ne yɛsuro da taxi driver na sɛdɔn me deɛ asante radio ne bi so ɛmpere post ɛmmra asante radio yɛn yɛ former president ɛyɛ nana advance akufo-addo wanyɛ hwee koraa na appointment ɔde ba asante radio no wɔyɛ ba ɔma ɔmo nyɛ hwee appointment bɛn ɛna nana ado amfa ama asante radio ɛdeɛ mmoa paa na ɔmo yɛde boa yɛn so baabi no yɛ bi wɔ ha no ma yɛ pɛsɛn sɛ bɛbaa na ɔmo sɔre a na ɔma da meda ase
Medase, okay, all right. Hello, good morning. Kojo mami tio.
Akoma FM.
Ìyá ọmọ àmì ẹ̀dùn ṣe ṣe èrè èrè wọ́pọ̀ àmì ìṣírí máa nù. Èdè àti ṣe èrè bẹ́ẹ̀ sí kárìkẹ́ yẹ̀yẹ́ bíbí yẹ̀ Áfíríkà fa ayélujára fi kíkọ́ ìrètọ́sọ̀ bẹ̀tẹ̀ ní bíbí yẹ̀ ti fi ẹ̀ bẹ́. Èdè yẹn kàn jẹ́ èdè ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ mẹ́rin náà àwọn ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ̀ náà yẹ̀bí sí ẹ̀bùn ní àkà wọ́n yẹn ń gbẹ̀yẹ̀ yẹn fún àní àkóra àpapọ̀. Èdè yẹn àkántẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ èdè yẹn àkántẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ mínísítà èdè yẹn náà pọ́ńtẹ̀ pẹ̀lú máa àkántẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ àgbẹ̀ oníṣẹ́ ndc ní àkántẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ náà lẹ́tọ́ máa pọ́ńtẹ̀ pẹ̀lú máa àgbẹ̀.
Medasi Torinka for Miss Mijimos. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Yami Adumboko, Bato Wani. James, Minia, Papa.
And so,
Mate, the body, why? You, Mate,
the kind of the rest of the man. My sister and
87
after anything at the and to let's say, the Kunto connection, on 7 miles. If you are going to take a coin, and to continue to if you are being the million here, and to let's say, the man said, on wire, and city at the
okay. Yes.
I checked up still on the
Medasinia 03224 98035 0243 114497. Really numbers are between fresh on a penny. Good morning.
Good morning, John.
Yes, sir. Medase 03224 98035 0243 114497. Bitimaba na yedin komo. Matthew Arthur, a message on Facebook. You be kind of amount and check Matthew. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Yes, sir. Kwame mpacho ma minti o.
Ya de masi, na mpe yo bi amede ade. On fait un petit parti. Il pas que célébrer être oni. Le kasa asgani ni. Il y a un petit peu de gani. Le kasa célébrer être célébrer le mot et même come on, my brother can never take a minute. You know that you think that the other black, you can never black. When you know the little, you know, and going to say, and you go, every man is so okay, but even when you look at it, you know, the other can you ever want that? If you need to be back, no problem.
87.9 Kumasi.
So, I didn't say you have to do the oh, I didn't say. You said the menu. Every but you see, after the years for 2 years. Oh, and then we are showing a movie. I want you to go and for I look at that. Yes, I go. You are saying no one can. You are going again. Mama come here. Everyone do you want to go. Let me come with you. Thank you. Everyone come here. You want to go. You can do it. One minute. I want to post it's a good.
Meda Siminia hadwin but here Fesiana ya Marfo so ekwanya no so mra 0243114497 0322498035 but wait my ba na ye din come. Good morning. Yes sir.
Yo, ya been by but the Amaka.
You am it you.
Discuss it with them and do now as a cartoon, so one more discuss the room. After my appointment. Now, another wild boss captain where I tell it. It's not about the way to know it's in at the end of the day, Mutana, Mahama, and Nado, Mina Abbas, and the black and the oil of obesity, you will be the minister. Mahama goes through. At the end of the day, and you're a minister. And that's what I like.
Okay, Meda CP, wait me about 0243114497 0322498035. Wait my band here didn't come on. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Nyami Adam Bokomba, we didn't be a free. Body man in you.
Yes, I'm going to say,
87.9.
So, MPP4, American, Massive, and the democracy. Now, one more to tell you, a lot of the days also book. You tell me, about what you have commission for 8 years. Close market, and really show, central market. Domama, maybe 4 years back, SCKT, Dubai money. If you want to, KT, the central market, and power. 1.8 every time I need to say, yes, so you are tax, and let's say, you about the same. Why do you want to do? You just said, I can tell you about the people. So, could you go to the
yeah, that's a body. Thank you very much. I heard this caller. Hello, good morning. How solo?
Hey, population.
Solo.
So because of the letter you pay, you didn't let the boy. So the other man to go to you, you know going to pay them. They're going to pay them. You are not going to pay them. What a bullet you. No one have a little meeting with our dama. You are not saying, no one has a man going to talk to you. And no one has them. Yes, you never, and I'm going to bring you over to a club.
Let us say, if our last caller. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, yes, sir.
Ahmed Maminti.
very sure for me and all the guys they get out of it's more and more country
But your county here, Mr.
now I feel all country is like I just had it 5 days guy 5 days the money to go there 3 months the number there 6 months people need to go into the 5 days to the guy how can I make
you become my last caller. We my last caller. Hello.
Hello, John.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So there is a
It's a middle chat room.
Mami tell you Papa the last one. Mami tell president. That's the don't money man be the and no one comes. Mami tell Mr. P, the service of the the battle. You being a good actually that's what I have got and mine. So then we say everybody do what actually she wants to look at the Colombian. I don't know about Ghana everybody the red I don't know everybody the red say don't. The dog the among them a lot of the day and time you be for so be a picture of how many that is say from so don't someone paying for with the last 3 months get you there 3 months don't the money mama for that 6 months then you just say one paying another for Ghana for
that say Isa thank you very much me sorry na obibini akohene abetos mame call prof answer na about this
87.9 Kumasi
yeah
yeko dey now can chat to
me say match NDC for jina say yenya botrema President John Dramani Mama na ye mano time kakra I mean
and say the call to organize NDC for nko ye
Ghana me ba appointment
oh okay
say appointment was am dey kan den na yenya no ho abotre kakra no ntimi select competent people emomumfa enye adwuma no na nye saade because enye easy in the next 4 years they hear the right people at the right place.
Professor so Costa for EP nye bari
so cabinet commission ka ho
87.9 Kumasi
na William
yes
me say na prof here Muslim party for say restructuring no bia mfa nani eni achi na mpanyifo bi a omo they benefited from the Nado system no omo kasa bebe no so no at least they should cut us some slack omo njai de omo ye no it's not helping anyone na matter to me you much impful say subin crow sakra no look at how you mismanage subin
right
45% of polling station executives no want to ho we are no kwasa nto nchen uhwe ni position ana di odi subina senye obi ene be CV MPP e subina anka kan ni pende sa aje bi dan kwa ba ni se aje bi dan kwa ko e MPP independent.
All right, me that's
you onya ni kasa ni
right. Mate me that say Emerson Kemenes watch here honorable Amankwa for MC or Kwabre is right. Mzia we did ready so we dey akwane say to us with Adibin Stroma. Yes. And some no do now how beto us now on our share. Have a nice day.